The Honorable Professor Dr. Muhammad Fauzan, Professor of International Islamic University, Malaysia, IAUN, Vice Rector for Academic and Institutional Affairs, Vice Rector for Administration and Finance Affairs, Vice Rector for Student and Collaboration Affairs, Head of International Center, Dean and Vice Dean of Faculty of Education and Teacher Training, Head and Secretary of Information Technology Department, lecturers, teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank the Master of Ceremony for giving me the great honor for delivering welcome speech and keynote speech under the topic Embracing ICT Empowering Education 4.0 5.0. On behalf of the entire academic community of the Ar-Raniry State Islamic University, I would like to say Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Welcome Professor Muhammad Fauzan beserta Ibu. It is a great honor for us for the presence of Professor Muhammad Fauzan, and I would like to say thank you for your willingness to deliver a presentation in this conference. On this occasion, I would like to say my appreciation for the Faculty of Education and Teacher Training, especially Information Technology Department, who is holding this international conference. Thanks to all of those who have worked so hard for the success of this conference. Congratulations on joining the conference. With Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I officially open this international conference under the topic, the second international conference on information technology and education, Icited 2019, Islamic perspective on ICT and education. Next, I will present the keynote speech. As we know, education is a sector that is unique, attractive, challenging, and novel. Pendidikan adalah sebuah sektor yang unik, atraktif, tertantang, dan juga mulia. Disebut unik karena dia multidimensional, serba dimensi, sangat kompleks, spektrumnya sangat luas. Disebut atraktif karena itu merupakan hajat hidup orang banyak. Hajat hidup orang banyak. Disebut dengan challenging, tertantang, karena dia merupakan hajat generasi mendatang, hajat generasi penerus. Dikatakan sebagai noble, mulia, karena education is a heart of civilization. Pendidikan merupakan inti, kunci, nadi, dan peradaban, apalagi peradaban Islam. Karena itu, according to the famous philosopher of progressivism, Chen Yue, in his famous book, Democracy and Education, he said that education is not merely preparation of life, but life itself. Education and ICT have a very close relationship. Today, ICT is alive. So this topic is really very interesting. Bapak Ibu sekalian yang saya hormati, my topic today is Embracing ICT, Empowering Education 4.2 until 5.0. ICT and Education 4.0. ICT is information and communication technology that will change the education system, the curriculum, the teaching, learning material, the teaching learning process, the capacity of lecturers, teachers, instructors. Collaborative program among the higher education institutions. Students could attend college without leaving their home, both in their own country or in foreign country. The lecturers can share all teaching materials to all of her students through the internet from her office by using social media and teleconference system. Digital library system. Lecturers, students can search and download the teaching learning material from the digital library directly from his or her place as a member or guest visitor. Establishing the network library digital system among the higher education institution for primary and secondary school tertiary institution. Online academic registration. Applicants can register and upload digital documents that are requested to apply the program at higher education institution without leaving their home, both at home and abroad. Digital academic database. The academic database can be accessed and downloaded by all beneficiaries from anywhere. Digital payment system. Payment system for education fees online through banking and other digital payment systems. Empowering ICT in Education 4.0. 5.0. Embracing ICT to empower Education 4.0 to develop program based on the user disability, age, gender, especially for primary and secondary schools, tertiary education. Developing collaborative program. Joint classes between universities that have established the network through memory of understanding and Uin. Students can attend college in their place or residence, both in their own country and in a foreign country. The lecturers can give lectures to all students through the network from his office throughout the world. Collaborative classes for the double degree system. Standardized evaluation system. Standardized evaluation education program evaluation system between education providers. Empowering lectures. The quality improvement of lecturers is carried out gently or gradually so that lecturers can give lectures at the university that have understanding and OU in implementing education. Focus group discussion, FGD, between lecturers and students by embracing ICT. Information sharing between lecturers about the development of science, especially in the field of pedagogical theory, learning process, and multimedia development in teaching. But question mark, and question mark. All of them will save budget and time. But regular directly meeting lectures is needed so that the sense of humanity and social contact is not lost, so that local wisdom is not eroded. Thank you very much for your noble attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.